Financial independence. A dream, a goal. Here's how I go about it. Starting from zero, step by step. The key points in this video are your job, your savings, investment strategies, side hustle, and your free time. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Greetings everyone and welcome back to Stock Miner. The path to financial independence starts in the mind. It's all about mindset. What will it take to reach your goal? And what will you need to be like to achieve it? What was recommended to me is to write down the goal on a piece of paper. Set a date when you want to reach that goal, whether you achieve it or not. It's all about setting a horizon that you're working towards. And believe me, most people already fail at this point because they don't even know what their goal in life is. So what is your goal? To get rich? How rich? To own an expensive car? What kind of car? Deal with your goal. Only then proceed. Step 2 is creating your active source of income. That source will provide and supply all your other sources of income with monetary means. So this is the very core of your wealth creation, and that source of income is your job. I myself work my 9 to 5 every day and every week. I get paid and I'm happy with that because I have time to work for myself on my actual wealth creation on the side. My profession is simply meant to secure my existence and create the foundation for my wealth so that at some point I'm independent and can live off my investment profits or the side hustle which turned into a success. Of course, I pursue my career and try to get paid more, but the core value is the monthly salary. So let's talk facts here. I earn 7,500 Swiss francs, which is the equivalent to 8,360 US dollars. I'm able to save about 50 to 60%, so around about 4,200 per month. And this figure brings us to step 3 of my approach. This one is all about investing your money. The more you save, the more you can invest. And the more you can invest, the faster will your financial growth be. In doing so, I follow a strategy once presented by entrepreneur Dan Lok. There are 3 ways to become rich. Get rich certain, get rich fast, and get rich smart. The savings allow us to cover all of them. Getting rich certain means that you know for sure you will get rich off your investment no matter what. You continuously invest a small portion of your savings over years and years. And in 30 years, you have accumulated a large amount of wealth. Boring and long-lasting, but certain. You can invest into an index fund such as an all-world index or the S&P 500. The most important thing here is that you'll make profits through the increasing economic growth. I try to invest about $1,000 each month in a fund with an average return of 5%. And in 30 to 40 years, that money will have tripled without me making any efforts. This is the absolute easiest way to make yourself $1 million, but it will take half a lifetime. With getting rich fast, you are more involved. You are an active investor here, and you are trying to make as much profit as possible within 4 to 6 years. Now these are risky and very speculative investments, stocks, crypto, forex trading, and so on. Essentially, you are looking for an asset with big upside potential. Usually I invest about 3 to 5,000 in such a high-risk stock. I'm well aware that the chance of losing my money is high. The market is unpredictable and should be treated as such. But what I do know is that in the end, at least one of my horses will make the race and the reward will outweigh my losses. And lastly, we have the way of becoming rich smart, which leads us to step number 4, your side hustle. Becoming rich smart is with your business idea or later on with your own company. For your side hustle, your creativity and your drive for your own ideas is needed here. So what do you want to do? What is your idea? You can do anything you want. Write a book, make YouTube content, create your own brand, invent something useful, or do something out of your hidden talent. Try things out. My side hustle includes building a YouTube channel with my content, and once I get monetized, I will keep you updated on the earnings. In addition, I analyze stocks, I look for niches in the market, write down ideas, and so on. But in my eyes, the most important thing here is that I do it because I enjoy the process. In order to perform under such hard conditions, where you constantly work for something, you have to take some time off, which leads us to the essential key point number 5. Go for a walk, start working out, read a book, hang out with your friends, or spend time with your loved ones. Live a little. Take this time to remember why you started. Your goal can change over time, and that's fine. Especially those days off are great for self-reflection and resetting your sails. I like going for a walk or working out, and when doing so I can really feel the world slowing down. I get calm, and I sense my mind getting refueled. So then, let me make my conclusion. This is my 5-step approach of how I'm building up my wealth. I created my mindset, where I want to be, and what my goal in life is. Then I saved a couple of salaries before I started investing. Until now, I keep investing in the stock, forex, and crypto market, both actively and passively, to not miss out on new opportunities. I work on my own business ideas and create YouTube content on the side, besides doing my job. To refuel energy, I work out, go for a walk, or hang out with my friends and family. When my salary comes in at the end of the month, my earnings are split into 3 bank accounts. One for my overall expenses, one for my savings and future investments, and one for some me time in life, vacations or leisure activities. I will certainly have more than $1 million at the age of 60 thanks to my passive income portfolio getting rich certain, and I keep following my goal to get financially independent before 30. I'd be very interested to hear your strategy and your goals in the comments. So then, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.